The temperature looks optimal for quality control.
Confirm that measurement on your clipboard. I'm just verifying the consistency here.
The moisture reading is stable at 14%. Mark that down.
Copy that. Moving on to density. The humidity is exactly where it should be. Ready to record. Sample 1 looks promising. Confirming batch 9 is cleared. Noted. Checking the density now.
Sample 1, moisture content 11%.
Check against standards.
Verified. Moving to conveyor inspection.
Inventory, check. Grind settings, check. Batch quantity, all accounted for.
Inventory looks good.
We've processed 3 tons today.
Excellent. Note that on the manifest.
Inventory looks good here. Moving on to lot 4.
The temperature looks good. Agreed. Let me note that on the clipboard.
The humidity is within limits. Agreed, the sample looks good. Continue bagging. Sample number 6, flow rate 37, within tolerance.
Okay, there you go.
Noted on the log. Moving to SAC 7.
The humidity is within specifications.
Okay, what?
Noted, I'm checking the consistency now. The pressure looks good. Notes indicate we are within spec.
Initiating filtration cycle now.
Maintaining visual on the filling station.
distance. The precision is evident in every detail, from the machined oak cask to the berry arrangement. Exact measurements confirm.
The pressure is steady. The seal looks good on this one. Okay, moving on to the bottle. No imperfections detected.
The finish looks perfect on this one. This gauge is reading within the acceptable range. Excellent quality here.
The pressure looks stable. Examining the glass for any impurities. Note the level here, it's within tolerance.
Checking pressure levels, looks like 15. Now securing the second bottle. Just adjusting this valve here, everything seems within limits.
Ensure the gauge holds steady at 20. Note the slight discoloration at the neck. We need to maintain this precision.